it's a shiur on the Tefila. We got to Meleck, and we got to the point that we say in the Nusach, you taught us to say the 13 characteristics that we mentioned them. That's a berit, that's a covenant between HaKadosh Baruch Hu and Moshe Rabbeinu. That HaKadosh Baruch Hu told Moshe Rabbeinu, whenever the Har Israel, they say these 13 characteristics, that would not come back empty-handed. HaKadosh Baruch Hu would respond. Now it's very interesting that we say in the Nusach of Tefillah, he taught us to say. He doesn't say that he told us to say, he taught us to say. Now, the Farshim say, why do you say Horetanu Lomar? Because the point of 13 mitzvot characteristics of Rachamim is not just saying them and we awaken the mitzvot of Rachamim. Horetanu, he taught us. How did Moshe Rabbeinu tell us? What did Moshe Rabbeinu say? Moshe Rabbeinu said that you have to follow this mitzvot. You have to adapt this mitzvot in yourself. Once you have mercy with other people, HaKadosh Baruch Hu has mercy with you. Once you are gracious to other people, Hashem will be gracious to you. Whatever that you adapt in yourself, then HaKadosh Baruch Hu will do it to you. Therefore, when we say this 13 mitzvot, it's not just a matter of saying, and through that is the magical way that HaKadosh Baruch Hu's mercy will be awakened. Once we say them and we think about them and we adopt in ourselves, then HaKadosh Baruch Hu also would forgive us. There's a story in the Gemara that somebody was about to die and Malach HaMoed was about to catch him and they had mercy over him. And when he came back, he told me, what happened? What happened? They said that I really was about to die. I went to Shammai and they opened my file. They saw that I always forgave other people. I always let other people be forgiven. And in Shammai said that he is the one who forgives everybody. We have the meter of forgiveness for him, and we can grant him more life. For you see, the way that HaKadosh Baruch Hu deals with the person is the way that the person deals with others. Just like you say in the middle of Rachamim, HaKadosh Baruch Hu says, Avon, he forgives Avon, who over our pesha. Somebody who passes on the guilt of other people, pesha of other people, and forgives them, Hashem forgives him. Therefore, saying them just by itself, it doesn't help. That's why he taught us to say. Over in the Nosach, we say to emphasize that the point of this 13 mitzvot to help us, he taught us. Once we say and we adopt in ourselves, then we could have a merit and zechut for ourselves and for all the Har Israel.